Give me my layers. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. My name is Anitra Latrice, and you already seen the thumbnail, so you don't know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this grown woman status making boss move wig, and baby, if you want to see just how easy and quick she was to put on, stay tuned, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So we are about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Like, look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, because let me tell you, this is gonna be super duper easy to put on. I can tell you from the jump, it's already beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and put it on and see how she looks. Number one fan your side. Okay, so this fits really good on my head. I didn't tighten it, I just have it like how it came out of the box. I didn't tighten it or loosen the band. This is how it came right out of the box, and it feels very roomy. But look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous out the box. Wow. Okay, this is grown woman status type hair. Okay, don't play. All right. okay I'm so excited. All right, so we're gonna put this hair back, flip it out the way so we can get into this lace. So I do have some flyaways on here, so what we're gonna do is going to get those flyaways out the way.
Dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love.
I got the flyaways tamed, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace.
But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing.
So this is her with the lace cut, and so next we are going to get my Wavy satin lotion. Gonna get that, and we're just gonna put it around the hairline so we can melt the lace.
You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business.
Okay.
You a move body.
This is so pretty. So while the lace is melting, we're gonna take this off. We're gonna get into these curls. Now you can wear this right out of the box. You can wear this hair just like this. These layers, baby, yes. Okay, it's the layers for me. Like, give me my layers. Okay, this is everything. This it right here. Even though this wig is gorgeous right out of the box, we're gonna give it a little bump. Okay, here, just gonna do a curl here and there. We really don't have to do too much because this wig has been traveling in a box. We're gonna give it a little bit of help, not too much because it don't eat it. But hey, look at that body. You gonna be able to tell me nothing. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the curl.
You ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan your side, applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar. All of these women, they not on your level. You like a mix of business and pleasure. You a move body, giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even flexing, and you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you know improve. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.
So now that we got her curled up, we're gonna go ahead and take this band off.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't
look at that. Wow, this looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna go ahead and finger comb the hair out.
Body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused. But you ain't even
go get her. This is grown woman status type of hair. This is I don't play no games type of hair. This is all smooth type of hair. Okay, honey, y'all can't tell me nothing, cause I'm all day in the bag of chips with some dip. Okay, yes. I got a little halo effect. I don't know if y'all, okay. It's a little halo effect right there. I'm gonna use some leftover makeup and I'm just gonna put it around the area. Boom. And that's it, y'all. We are done. Super quick, super easy, and it is an amazing wig. And she is glueless. Like, look at this. Okay, look at it. Look at it. So let me show you the back.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't.
So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair brush comb combo, a Luv Me Hair rat tail comb, a Luv Me Hair hair lip wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. You know I'm about to give you all the tea. This is Luv Me Hair's Effortlessly Chic Layered Cut Wavy Glueless HD Minimalistic Lace Short Wig. And honey, she is giving me nothing but life. I am wearing this unit in the color Natural Black, but you also can get this unit in a brown highlight, which is so gorgeous as well and great for the fall season. I am wearing this in the length 16 inches, but you are able to get this also in 12 and 14 inches as well. The lace can come pre-cut at an additional cost. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. The lace type is HD, so you will not see this lace at all. You see that? You can't tell me this ain't my hair. It's coming right out of my scalp. The lace area is a minimalistic lace. This unit also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. This unit comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. Shedding on this unit is very minimum, if any. I probably got a hair here and there, and that's probably due to me cutting the lace, but other than that, shedding was like almost non-existent. Is this unit glueless? Yes. Yes, baby, it is glueless. You see that? Beginner friendly? Absolutely 100% yes, it is beginner friendly. You can take it right out of the box and put it on. If you get the cut lace version, you can just take it right out of the box and put it on and go. It is hands down a beginner friendly wig for sure. So let me tell you the features on this unit. This unit comes in a permanent left C part. The knots on this is pre-bleached. This unit was crafted by Luv Me Hair stylist, honey. It is a professional style design that is great for anyone. It is natural, and those layers, honey, baby, is everything. This wig with the layers took this up like 10 notches. Normally you would have to cut layers in wigs, but Luv Me Hair did the work for you. So all you have to do is just take it out of the box and put it on and go, and you will look absolutely fabulous. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. Now let's get into the pros and cons of this unit. First, we're going to get into the cons. With this unit, I did not have too many cons. I only actually have one con, and that is no, you will not get no versatility with the parting, because the parting is a permanent left C part. Now if this was like a 5x5 or like a 7x6, honey, this would be like 100% hands down a perfect unit. Okay, perfect unit if it was like a 5x5 or 7x6 unit. Because honey, because of it being a permanent left seat part, everyone is not gonna like that. Some people like a right side, some people just like wearing it in the middle. So that's the only con that I have, is that you do not have versatile parting with this unit. But if you like the left part and that's all that you wear, then honey, you are good to go. It's a good wig to wear anyway. Like if you are a beginner, hands down, get it. If you like intermediate or advanced, then you probably will want to switch it up a little bit, especially depending on the outfit that you are wearing. You probably want to switch up the parts, but without the parting, it's still fabulous wig. Without even all the parting options, it's still a fabulous wig. Now let's get into the pros, and honey, I have quite a few pros with this unit. Like honey, they just kept giving it to me, okay. Number one, I love that this unit is beginner friendly. Like you getting a beautiful wig that anyone can put on. Like if you're a busy mom, a working professional, a college student, this is a great unit. If you need to go to an interview, you need to go to a parent-teacher conference, if you need to go on a date night, girls' night out, this wig can go for any occasion. It's absolutely perfect. I also love that it is glueless. Like I don't like to put glue down all the time, and especially honey, we try to keep our edges, okay. So having a glueless option is absolutely amazing. You can take it off, put it up, and go back to it first thing in the morning or whatever time that you need to get to your hair, and go to it and put it on with ease. And by it being glueless, it is truly a throw on and go type of unit, baby. Even y'all saw how it looked when it came right out of the box. It looked amazing. Another pro is that it has pre-plucked hairline. I did not do any plucking, and it looks so natural, so realistic. I am absolutely loving it. And to finish the pro list, I love that you have an additional color to get. So not only do you have the natural black, but you also can get a brown highlight. And from what I've seen on the website, honey, that color looks amazing, and it is going to be perfect for fall season. And just go to the website and check it out, or I'll probably pop a picture so you can see that this unit is amazing in the natural black and the brown highlight. So overall, this unit is fabulous, honey. Absolutely fabulous, and I hands down recommend. This is a keeper for sure. Y'all don't need to walk, y'all need to run and get this unit, and it's at an affordable price. The holidays are coming. Y'all already know y'all want y'all hair looking right, so make sure y'all go and get it. Don't walk, run. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you, you know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. Until next time, stay blessed and stay bougie. Bye.
Try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.